Now, before we go to the topic, integrals of some particular functions, I will just explain to you that last exercise 7.3, two questions. I will just explain. See, this is the 23rd one. Integral sine square x minus cos square x by sine square x cos square x dx. How we can do it is very easy. Just split into two terms. First term, sine square x by sine square x cos square x. So, sine square x will be cancelled and we will get 1 by cos square x, which is sec square x. And we know the integral of sec square x tan x. Second term, cos square x by sin square x cos square x. So cos square x will be cancelled and 1 by sin square x will be cosec square x, and we know the integral minus cot x. Just write the answer. And here e raised to x, 24th, e raised to x, integral e raised to x into 1 plus x divided by cos square e raised to x into x. See, what is the derivative of e raised to x into x? E raised to x into x. What is the derivative? Product rule. E raised to x into derivative x 1 plus x into derivative e raised to x. That is nothing but the numerator, e raised to x into 1 plus x. That is the derivative of e raised to x into x, because that is product. So we have to apply product too. So you have to substitute x e raised to x equal to u. X e raised to x or e raised to x into x equal to u. So the derivative of this is e raised to x into 1 plus x dx. So instead of e raised to x into 1 plus x dx, you can substitute du. The denominator cos square u. So 1 by cos square u sec square u. So what is the integral of sec square u? Tan u. That is tan e raised to x into x. That is the answer. So put x e raised to x u, then you can do. So do that, those two questions. So now let us move to the topic, integrals of some particular functions. So we have to study some formula. Integrals of some particular function. See the function of the form integral 1 by x square minus a square. Integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log x minus a by x plus a. So see, compare these. See, in these three formula, there is no square root. See here in the denominator, here there is no root denominator. See next three, see 1 by root of x square plus a square, 1 by root of x square minus a square, 1 by root of a square minus x square. So in these three there is root in the denominator. That is the difference between these. So here x square minus a square, here a square minus x square, here x square plus a square. So here root of x square plus a square, root of x square minus a square, root of a square minus x square. And see, x square plus a square is same as a square plus x square. So only minus there will be different. They will be different. X square minus a square, here a square minus x square. Like that there are 6 formula, the standard formula. These are standard formula. So you have to study these standard formula. So 1 by x square minus, see, compare these two. These are similar. See here only difference. Here 1 by 2a. When there is x square minus a square, here become x minus a by x plus a. When it is a square minus x square, become a plus x by a minus x. Only that's the difference in these two. 1 by 2a is there in both. Then if it is plus 1 by x square plus a square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So that is different from these two. Different one. This one. 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. You have to study this formula. Then next three, there is root in the denominator. And in these two are same type. See, both start with log x plus. Only difference is log x plus root of x square plus a square. See, this is the same question. See, in the question there is root of x square plus a square. That is what we write here. And here log x plus root of x square minus a square. Here in the question root of x square minus a square in the denominator. So that comes here. So in both these, x square plus a square, root of x square plus 1 by root of x square plus a square, 1 by root of x square minus a square, both start from log x plus, then a question. Log x plus root of x square plus a square. Here log x plus root of x square minus a square. Then plus c. Then this is one, that different one. In these two are same type. And these three different. See, third one, the sine inverse x by a. Simple one. 1 by root of a square minus x square dx sine inverse x by a. So these are the 6 standard formula. So you have to study these 6 standard formula. First one, 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. When it is a square minus x square, 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. Then 1 by x square plus a square, that is different one, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Then these two, log x plus root of x square plus a square, log x plus root of x square minus a square. If it is 1 by integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx, That is sine inverse x by a. Different type. Sine inverse x by a. There is no 1 by a. Here there is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here there is no 1 by a, only sine inverse x by a. Only one term, sine inverse x by a plus c. So these are the 6 form. I will show you how we get. First one I will show you. Only one I will show you. Remaining you can go through the textbook. See, that proof, how we get this formula is not very important. Even then just to go through that in the textbook. One I will show you. See the first one, 1 by x square minus a square dx. See, to find that, integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. See, that is same as integral 1 by x plus a into x minus a dx. See, x square minus a square is same as x plus a into x minus a. Then, this numerator, we are going to multiply and divide by one number, 2a. That is 1 by 2a into 2a by x plus a into x minus a dx. Then what we are going to do is, instead of this 2a, as we did in the that question, cos x minus b, that question. So 2a, instead of 2a, we are going to write x plus a minus x minus a. One by 2a into integral 2a, instead of 2a, we are going to write x plus a minus x minus a. What is that, x plus a minus x minus a? When we open the bracket, x minus x cancel. A plus a minus minus a. So a plus a, 2a. When we open the bracket, we get only 2a. So instead of 2a, we can write now x plus a minus x minus a whole divided by x plus a into x minus a dx. Now we do the same thing, that is split into two terms. So what we get? 1 by 2a into integral x plus a by this term. What we get? X plus a divided by x plus a into x minus a. So x plus a will be cancelled. What we get in the first term? 1 by x minus a minus. Second term what we get? X minus a by x plus a into x minus a. X minus a will be cancelled. What we get? 1 by x plus a dx. Now we can integrate 1 by 2a into, what is integral of 1 by x minus a? Integral 1 by x log x. So what is integral of 1 by x minus a? See, we know the standard formula. Integral 1 by x dx. See, integral 1 by x dx log x. Integral 1 by x log x. See, in the place of x, here what is here? X minus a. And what is the derivative of x? I told you in all standard formula, in the place of x, if there is any other function whose derivative is a constant, we can write the integral directly by dividing by the derivative of that function which is in the place of x. Similarly, integral 1 by x dx log x. So what is integral 1 by x minus a dx? Integral 1 by x minus a, only difference, in the place of x, it is x minus a. And what's the derivative of x minus a? Only 1. Derivative x 1 minus derivative of a 0. So only 1. So derivative of x minus a is only 1. So x minus a is in the place of x, but derivative of x minus a is 1. So directly we can write now log x minus a plus c. Because derivative of x minus a is 1 only. So dividing by 1 doesn't make any difference. So same answer, log x minus a. Like that, here we can write the integral. What is the integral of 1 by x minus a? Log x minus a minus. What is the integral of 1 by x plus a? Log x plus a plus c. So what is log a minus log b? Apply the formula log a minus log b, log a by b. So that is log a minus log b, that is 1 by 2a. Log a minus log b, log a by b. Log x minus a by x plus a. So that's the answer. So integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. So 1 by a square minus x square. Integral 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. Only that's the difference. Then remaining all formulas you have to study standard formula. Then we are using that standard formula we can find the integral. So we have studied many formula. So all that formula, the integral of sec x, integral of cosec x, integral of cot x, All then the standard formula. Integral of 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by root. So all these you have to study by heart. All the formula you have to study by heart. Then only we can use that. Okay.